Taylor forward for the free kick, which is delivered low and then played on by Byrne. Rickards, now Sale. Oh, push through chance for Martindale! Goal! The defenders went the other way, Martindale was left free, and it's the underdogs who take the lead.
A tidy finish by Gary Martindale. All his experience coming to the fore there. And some poor passing in the middle of midfield. They don't recover from it. And, well, I'm not too sure the pass was meant for Gary Martindale, but didn't he finish it well? Here we see the ball going through. I don't think it was intended for him, but he finds himself in acres of space. And Darren Acton really with no chance at all. Good finish.
Tamworth may have had more than double the attempts Burscough have managed, but really is struggling to remember too many serious ones.
Yeah, it's been one of those games, isn't it? We haven't seen too many attempts on goal. Maybe we'll get one here.
Here's Lawless. Good driving run from him, and it's spilt, and it's 2-0, and it's Martindale again. The shot from Lawless got away from Darren Acton, and wonderful reactions from Martindale to get his second of the match.
Well, I think questions are going to be asked. Goalkeeper Darren Acton, really a poor attempt, but a good driving run forward. Right to the hard defence, and we saw the shot a few moments earlier. Came off Sean Till. This one allowed to go all the way through to Darren Acton. He really didn't do well with the save. Gary Martindale, very sharp and lively inside that penalty box to react. And again he finishes it so well.
31-year-old builder, Gary Martindale, more than just a good foundation from him now. Walsh forward for the throw-in. It's aimed in his direction. There was a little shove in the back of Taylor. White ends up giving it away, and Warner drives it in, and Cooper gets in and scores! Lifeline for Tamworth, given to them by their captain. It would be a remarkable achievement if they could do it from this one last chance. Acton looks to seize upon that chance by lumping it in. The goalkeeper misses. They see it sail wide though, but it got a deflection on the way in the referee's view. He's given a corner.
The referee said it came off the goalkeeper Matthew Taylor. I'm not so sure, but he's given them another chance.
A controversial moment.
Darren Acton's come up as well, the goalkeeper.
Yes, Acton forward for the corner kick. It's gone beyond him, knocked back across by Hatton, and driven back goalwards. Enough bodies there for Burscough to hold it out. And Burscough have completed a remarkable FA Trophy win. Gary Martindale, their two-goal hero, makes it an emotional return to Villa Park for Sean Till. 8 years after he last played here for Aston Villa, he has led his Burscough side to success in this competition. They were real outsiders at the start of the tournament, 100-1 in some bookmakers' eyes, but the smallest team ever to reach the final, the team that finished 18th in the Unibond Premier Division. Carl McCauley struggled off the field with cramp towards the end of the game, but he won't be leg weary now. I'm sure all the aches and pains have been forgotten about as he and his player manager Sean Till take the walk forward to collect what they came for. A fantastic return to a stage he graced so well for Sean Till, a stalwart of the Ron Atkinson era here. A winner's medal in this, his first job as a player manager. And with him, Carl McHale, a former Manchester City trainee. Between them they lift the FA Trophy. It's Burscough who celebrate at Villa Park. Fantastic scenes, for the Linnets, who knocked out the holders Yeovil on the course to glory. And now they are bathed in smiles on the big day. They have their hands on the silverware.
That's fantastic scenes, isn't it? And this is what it's all about. I think it's an absolutely beautiful looking trophy as well, and I'm sure this will go back to Burscough, and Sean Teal and his team will really, really cherish this for the next. As I say, it's the old dream. It's something that they talk about in the FA Cup, that teams can't win it anymore, that play lower down the leagues, but at least in non-league that dream can come true.